So that's how to take signs off of a Jeep. If you have the signs that I have, and that's what it looks like afterwards. Might need just a little bit of buffing and cleaning up. Tree sap remover is the best stuff to use to get rid of the hard to get off stuff like what I had for my signs on the side.